Good morning. I actually fell asleep good, real good, which is good. All right, my anchor is still at 90%. I turned off the fan. I believe my Pixel Watch is fully charged, so I can get that out. Dock. Okay, it's time to unlock the house. All right. Good morning, world. I mean, Minnesota. Yeah. I'm still not crazy about the name. Because today I will be crossing the border. Yeah, it's always kind of like intimidating crossing a border. Oof. I mean, I did cross it like a month ago when I went to Ontario to visit my cousin. All right. First thing we need to do to convert Gamora back to car mode is to simply get that pill out of there. Roll this baby. That's it. And then you just like lift this up. Oh, another thing I need to do to convert Gamora into car mode again is to just simply remove my Reflectix back cover. Right. Just like that. Off we go. Alright, first stop for gas for today. I believe I only have one more left, and then cross the border, and then to my friend's house. but also very exciting about looking at some rain clouds. I just entered North Dakota again. It's about 2 hours and 6 minutes, 151 miles to Pembina, and I'm gonna get gas there. And just across the street, I think, maybe less than a mile, is the border crossing. So, cross my fingers. 47 more minutes. I need a snacky. The stingray is impressed. There's actually a little kick there. Rest area to the left. Okay. Oh, that breeze. Oh, that feels so good. All them shelters and picnic tables. It's pretty cool. Look, there's a duty free in here. Here we go. I am crossing today. Alright, I got in. This time around there's like more questions, right? Because I'm actually camping. Right now I gotta figure out this kilometers, miles, kilometers, conversion again. Alright, an hour and 16 more minutes, and I should be arriving at my destination, which is my friend's humble abode. I will be staying there for a day and a half before I start driving to Calgary. Yeah, we have a lot of things to catch up on, so very excited about that.